Hello there, Dee here from DD Creative. Thank you so much for joining me. So we all know that Pinterest is a great place to find inspiration and to discover new topics. But from the day that you began your Pinterest account, it's probably safe to say that some of your interests might have changed. Wouldn't it be nice to have a little more control over what recommendations you see in your home feed? Well, guess what? You now have more control. Let's take a look at my home feed. Okay, I'm currently seeing quite a few pins that relate to my most recent searches. You can see here that my most recent search in Pinterest today was for holiday ideas in Queensland and the Sunshine Coast. But what if I no longer wanted to see recommendations around that topic? You're now able to select topics and personalise your feed according to your taste using the new Pinterest Home Feed Tuner. I'm going to show you how you can do this using the app on your iPhone. So basically we go back to our home screen and we're going into account settings. Scrolling down, then I'll see home feed. From here I have the option to see boards, history and topics. So let's start with boards. At the moment I'm able to toggle each of these boards to have them either on or off to show into my home feed. So basically any of these active boards I will get recommendations for, but if they're inactive, I won't get recommendations for that board. So currently Halloween Fun is inactive. So if I made that active, I would start seeing more recommendations in relation to that board. But at the moment, I actually don't want to do that. But if I wanted to get some recommendations on this board, which is actually a secret board, I can toggle that on. But the great thing about this is that even though I'm getting recommendations for a secret board, it doesn't make that secret board public. That board is still secret. So we can go down and scroll through each of my boards here and I can tap them on and off as I please. My history, I can have a look at some of these pins, and if these pins don't relate to anything I'm interested in, I can turn them off. Okay, turn them back on. And then again, same with the topics. I can unfollow the topics that are already there or follow them again. Now, if you were on an Android device, basically you would visit the settings icon on your profile page and then select home feed. And from there you can do basically the same as what I've just shown you now. So thank you so much for joining me. If you found this helpful, please let me know in the comments below and give me a thumbs up. Thanks so much.